the CBD oil, this one I take 3 times a day. It's drops under the tongue. And I have a little vape pen as well. This thing is the only thing that I've found that works for my pain, especially my hip pain. I can take that, and within about 20 minutes, I'll know whether I've got to reach for the morphine-based drug or not. And a lot of the time, I actually don't have to go for that, which is huge to me. I'm very passionate about CBD, and I've actually, with some friends I met online, we've started a support group for other people with chronic pain, illnesses. I've got friends now who have MS. There's so many conditions that can be treated by CBD that it's not just about fibro. It's something that the world needs access to, you know, which is why I got so upset with chronic pain being missed off the bill there recently, because there's so many of us that don't want to use opiates. We want to have a natural alternative to that. I'm actually convinced that part of my cognitive decline is actually as a result to my one of the tablets I've been taking. So I'm desperate to get off that because, like I say, I've struggled to find my words. I'm actually doing quite well, quite impressed with myself.